Stay on top of your coding game. Hit like, subscribe, and don't miss out on the latest videos. In this video, I will write an example using a cookie jar analogy to explain how a class works in programming. A simple class to represent a cookie jar. When we create a new jar, it starts off empty. Add a cookie to the jar. Each time we add a cookie, we just add it to the list. Check how many cookies are in the jar. This method will return the total number of cookies in the jar. Eat a cookie if there are any left. If there are cookies, we remove one from the jar. Now let's use the cookie jar class. Create a new cookie jar. Add some cookies to the jar. Check how many cookies are in the jar. Eat a cookie. Outputs. Eating a peanut butter cookie. Check how many cookies are left. Now run our code. If you're into coding, and I hope you are, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's super simple, and it helps me bring you more tutorials, fun coding challenges, and tech tips. Plus, you'll get notified every time something new goes up, so you won't miss a thing. Go ahead, click those buttons, I'll wait.